2017 conference, and we are live on the black carpet. I have another attendee. She's been involved for how long have you been connected with BBWR?
This is my second year attending BBWR, yes. Okay. And since I've come, I've interacted with Miss Natalie Randall throughout the entire year, and man, she is a powerhouse.
Isn't she? Well, as you can see, she is building this network. So tell us, are you a business owner?
I am a business owner. Actually, I also have a women's organization that I founded out in Arizona called Girlfriends Connected, and it's also women empowerment, networking.
Be sure to check her out online. There are so many amazing business women that are here today, and I can't wait to share more with you. So keep it locked, stay connected. Thank you for joining us here, the Flourish Media Group, BBWR 2017. Follow that hashtag.